I cannot compare myself with America and give you what America is giving to the Americans and what I can provide for the Filipinos because of the huge difference in numbers, income. Mas marami silang mabili, mas marami silang manufacture, may mga factory nila. The Philippines is just little by little growing over the years. At hindi pa, na-colony pa tayo ng Spaniards for 300 years. I don't know what would have been a story, would have been a different story kung hinayaan tayo those 300 years at saka 50 years sa Amerika to grow on our own and maybe develop in our pace, accustomed to, at baka mas makita natin, mas progresibo tayo. Yan ang panghinakit ko sa sitwasyon na ito. Itong Amerikano, you are using other places to place your detachments. Mga detachment din yan eh. Long arm of overstretch yung resources ninyo by a mile. Yung mga Pilipino na hindi naman nakaintindi sa inyo, okay lang yun. Kasi sa Senate palagi kayong panalo eh. Made in America yun eh. Yung movies. Pero yung Pilipino na nag-iisip, kung hindi kayo maniwala sa akin, well, I said, I'm a rat in hell for foisting a false narrative. But kung magkatotoo, huwag mo nang isipin ako na sinabi ko. Isipin mo na lang kung ano ang gagawin mo sa panahon na yon. That's about it. Forget about me. I am just an ordinary public employee once upon a time na medyo may alam ng konti. And I know because I said these things existed during my time as mayor, as president. Yan ang tandaan ninyo.